The three realities: physical, mental and vital. 1. The physical is external reality. The mental is our thought process, an intermediate reality. And the vital is the reality behind both. We have created a world of thought between the nothing and the something. That is the intermediate world. And more we are spending our time there rather than the physical world. It is taking us over. We are losing what is real, to have what is unreal. If you go around thinking, working things out intellectually, you're in the intermediate world. It is a never-ending world. There is no end to its seduction. And, of course, the mental world generates emotions and blockages because as soon as we think of our ex-lover, or the job we got sacked from, it stirs a psychic prisoner in us, a resentment against someone or something. The mental will always stir a blockage in us if it can. The mental, intermediate world doesn't achieve anything except to entertain us. We're so compulsively habituated to the love of being entertained that we go for the closest bit of entertainment there is in what appears to be a very dull, physical world. That entertainment, in the first instance, is our imagination. We invented our mentality, like we invented the internet, which is the result of all our thought processes, in a sort of halo around the earth, a band of information surrounding the world that all our computers tap into. This vast network of information in the intermediate world is useless entertainment information presented as worthwhile and having some meaning. We are all compelled, through our business or busyness, to go into it. And now we are stuck with it. But the wonderful thing is that in the vital, which I am free. I am beyond all thought. I am beyond the intermediate. I am beyond the death of this physical body. I am deeper than that. The vital is my reality. Love is delight. It is not a matter of saying I love you. You have to demonstrate all day, every day, by your actions, otherwise the words are useless. That is what love is, a delight, and that is what we have lost in this world, the demonstration of it. What you love, what is true, is inside of you. It doesn't go. Love is not historical. Love is now. And if you have ever loved anyone, the love of them is now. But you must see that. I know that, but do you know that? There is a law of now. And the law of now is the truth. Now, and now alone, is true. And I can only love you now. I can't love you tomorrow and I can't love you yesterday. I love you now, if I love you. And that is all I am. This love that I am, in that body, is what I am. You are up for a while, then down. That is your life. Up and down. Pleasure precedes pain, pain precedes pleasure. And in between, preventing you from connecting the two up and seeing the truth of how your life is being manipulated, is the dreaded emptiness of boredom and aloneness. Knowing yourself means being able to separate the true from the false in yourself, love from emotion, joy from sentiment, will from desire. No man can teach another self-knowledge. He can only lead him or her up to self-discovery, the source of truth. I ask you to find the God inside, which is life. And it is a joyous place, it is just what is inside in the first instance. There are no energies in the body. There is only life, and life is a power. And there is only love, which is a power, and there is only truth, which is a power, and there is only knowledge, which is a power, and there is only intelligence, which is a power. Powers are not forces. Forces are energies, obviously, because forces move, so they are energies. So stay with the power, which is your own life. The source of life is in your own body, self-evident and in your own experience. Now is the truth. I speak the truth. So I am now, and what I say is now, and you cannot remember it, but it goes into you. You don't remember what I say, but you never forget it. Now isn't that a wonderful thing? First you have to see the truth of what I'm saying. Then all you have to do is live it. For no truth is the truth until it is lived. Knowing yourself means being able to separate the true from the false in yourself, love from emotion, joy from sentiment, will from desire. No man can teach another self-knowledge. He can only lead him or her up to self-discovery, the source of truth. The only thing that can change is intelligence, and intelligence is always now and never moves. From very long